tired. But I had to make a video for my subscribers. The fuck. Boy, if you don't wait, what? I'm coming. Dang, let me do my makeup and stuff. I know you want to go on this date, but let me do my makeup. Let me do my makeup. Dang, y'all. He finally want to take me on a date. And now he gonna rush me talking about hurry up, do this, do that. I don't be saying nothing when I said I don't be saying nothing when you be on that game and I be waiting on you. So don't do that. What's up, babies? Hey babes. I am getting ready. Just hold on. Hey babes. So, hey guys, welcome back for another video. So, let me get comfortable. I be having to get comfortable. Do y'all be having to get comfortable? I be having to get comfortable because I'm about to fuck. What was I about to say? I like literally forgot. Wait, I remember, y'all. Okay, first of all, I was gonna say, please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Like, telling lies? No, subbies. Like, no, for real. If you haven't liked, comment, or subscribed, do that in this video. Like, make this the video, you do that. Okay? But today, am I even freaking doing it right? But we're gonna get into these brows, okay? Brows, okay? So today I'm gonna do a brow tutorial, okay? So we're gonna get into these, and y'all see I'm bald headed, right? Y'all see these brows is bald headed. But I'm gonna tell you how to put some hair on them, okay? I'm gonna show y'all how to get into some brows. Okay, first of all, what I'm using is Anastasia. Anastasia. I don't know how you say it. I say Anastasia. You can say Anastasia. Whatever. You know what I'm talking about. The eyebrow stuff with the A on it, okay? I use that, and I use mine in chocolate. So I use their eyebrow, I don't know. I'm not a fucking MUA. I don't know what it's called. I just know it's right next to it. That's all. That's really all I know, honestly. But this what we gonna use, okay? So we use this to get our brows in shape. You're gonna go in with just want to line your brow first, and then you can start going in and filling it in. Right now I'm just brushing it out. And filling it in. maybe looking a little crazy at first, but just keep playing with them and it's gonna give you that look that you want. And just brush it out. So this is what we're looking like so far, and we don't like that. So what we're gonna do is I want to just brush it out. Brush that color right out. And try to like clean it up. So what I do is I go in with a regular brown lip liner and I kind of draw my lines in. Just to make it look more realistic. And to give it that fade effect. Once I've done that, then I go back in and brush it out a little bit. So after we've done that, this is what we're looking like. You're gonna take your flatbed brush and you're gonna take your concealer So right here, you're just gonna take your concealer and you're gonna outline your brow to make it sharp. You want your brow to look very sharp, especially underneath. And sorry guys, you know I got the 2-year-old baby, so she's gonna be in the background talking a lot, but just disregard her. So what I'm doing right here is I'm just going to blend out that concealer that I placed underneath. So now I'm just going to take that concealer and outline the top of my brows. Sometimes I don't like to do this because it makes it more of a dramatic look, but in this case I am going to show you guys that you can outline that top brow with your concealer just to make it sharper. I'm going to go back in and just fill it in a little bit more. I'm just really just playing around, trying to make sure they are exactly how I like them. Right here, I'm just going back in and getting that brow as sharp as I can. Y'all, he's still rushing me, but we gonna get through these brows, okay? He can rush me all he want. He can rush me all he want. But we gonna get these brows done. Period, sis. So right here is where I'm going to take a little bit more of the dip brow, and I'm going to start doing the front of my brow so I can give it that fade effect. And you just want to go in with stroke motions so it can look like hair as much as possible. And wherever you see something that you don't like, just continue to fix it. You want to always try to blend it out as much as possible, because the blending is just going to make it look more pretty. I'm going to go in with a brown pencil, and I'm going to do soft strokes to make it look like hair. I know you guys are tired of me talking, so I'm just going to do the other brow really quick, and then we'll see what's next. So guys, as you can see, we are done with our brows. With your brows are not going to look the same. Both of them are not going to look the same. And sometimes you will be able to get your brows perfect, and sometimes you just won't. It's like they're supposed to be sisters, not twins. So everybody eyebrows are not going to look the same. And if they do look the same, they tattoos. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know what the fuck. Something wrong with them, I guess. But I'm going to go ahead and finish my face because he's trying to go on this date. So I'll be right back. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys like the tutorial. Oh my gosh, I'm coming. I am coming. I'm done. I'm coming. I gotta talk to my babes though. But I'm coming. Okay, well let me finish saying bye to them first. Ooh, we ain't about to go on this date. He don't quit playing with me. But I do like to eat. So yeah, I might just have to go for the food. But thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you could like, comment, and subscribe. If there's something on my face that you would like to see me do, go ahead and comment below and I'll be happy to make a video for you. Thanks babes. Thanks for being patient with me. See you in the next video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Tell all your friends, all of them, tell all your friends to come check me out. Okay. Bye, guys. Until next time.